In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an extra 500 bucks every single day doing absolutely nothing. This method works worldwide and it pays in all kinds of ways that you can imagine. So if you're worried that you won't be able to get paid, don't worry. They have several different payout methods that works in your country. And if you're in the US, you're good to go. So the first website that we're going to be seeing today is called Legit. And basically what Legit is a website that offers services like video editing, script writing, thumbnail editing, that kind of stuff. As you can see here on the top, it shows SEO, writing, graphic designs, programming and technology, internet marketing, video, e-commerce, business, audio services, courses, and browse. And don't worry, you won't have to know how to do any of this, okay? I know most of us don't know how to do all of this stuff. I personally don't, and you don't have to. I'm going to show you how you can get other people to do this for you and you still earn on top of it. So if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you're going to be able to see the methods that they use to pay out people. So PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, Visa, MasterCard, and Discover. So if you're able to get paid by any of these methods, then you're good to go with this one, okay? Now, what we're going to be doing here on this website is you're going to be drop servicing. And I'm going to show you what this means right now. So here on the top, on the search bar of the website, if you search for something like video intros, which are the intros that come in, like let's say YouTuber videos or either in advertisement videos for companies, you're going to see that people here charge about 10 to 15 bucks to create a basic intro for anyone. If you search for video editing, then you're going to see that they're charging 20 bucks, 5 bucks, 10 bucks to edit videos. This guy here has a gig for 20 bucks and this guy here has the same gig for 5 bucks. If you search for a whiteboard animation video, you're going to see people that are charging $10, $20. In this website, since it's a little bit new, people are still charging a low price, but I'm going to show you how you can drop service to a different website and earn a lot of money doing it. So if you're excited to see how drop servicing works, make sure to subscribe to this channel because I post free videos every single week here on this channel, teaching you different ways that you can use to make money online. So if you're not subscribed yet, you're missing out on the future videos. What are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe right now. Now that you've subscribed, let's continue. So the way drop servicing works is you're going to take one of these gigs and then you're going to resell it for a higher price. You're going to register to this website and the second website that I'm going to show you in a minute, and you're going to list the same gig. Let's say you can find it for 10 bucks, as cheap as 10 bucks. You're going to list it for 15 or 20 and you're going to earn that little money in between. So when someone buys from this guy, let's say at 20 bucks, what you're going to do is you're going to order this guy doing it for 10. He's going to do it for you and then you're going to deliver it to the person that paid you 20 bucks and you're going to earn 10 in the middle. That is called drop servicing. For this method, you won't need any traffic because the website already provides the traffic. People come to this website looking for these kind of services. So all you have to do is register to the website, list a gig and wait. Now you could take one of these cheap gigs and list it here in this same website and earn in here. But if you want to earn even more money, I'm going to show you now the second platform that pays even more. So the second platform is called Fiverr. Many of you guys are going to be familiar with this website. So as you can see here, I searched for video editing on fiverr.com and the first things that came up are $20 gigs, $35 gigs, $90 gigs, $100 gigs. And if you look closely, if you click on the gig itself, you're going to see that they have packages. They have basic, standard, and premium. So they're charging up to $300 for one video that they edit. So let's go back for a second. All of these gigs, this one of 20 bucks has been ordered 1,000 times. This one 155, 49, 337 times. If you scroll down, you're going to be able to see more offers. This guy's charging a minimum of $450 for each video that he edits. So you can easily go into this website here, Legit, register for an account, hire this guy to do a video edit for you for 5 bucks and sell it on Fiverr for 20 bucks. Now, remember I showed you the video intro? The video intro is pretty easy to do. I'm going to show you how you can use certain websites to make these videos for you. If you don't want to drop service and you want to do them yourself, you can use these websites that I'm going to show you in a minute to create the videos and sell them without having to pay someone else to do the service for you. One thing that I want to note here is even though you're paying someone to do the service for you, remember that you only pay the other person after you have received your payment. And if you ever have any trouble accessing any of the features here in this website or any of the other videos that I have on my channel, and you're tired of not being able to access certain things and money-making methods due to the country that you live in, that's because you don't have a tool that I use called Surfshark VPN. This tool is the reason why I'm able to use CPA offers all around the world while never having to leave the United States. With Surfshark VPN, you're going to have access to better prices from websites that try to charge you more depending on the country that you live live in. You can access the full internet without having to worry about being spied on or tracked by big companies and government, aka fully anonymous. And if you use any streaming services like Netflix, you're going to be able to see shows from any country in the world. If you've ever logged into Netflix and you couldn't find the movie that you were looking for, there's a high chance that they have the movie that you're looking for in the platform. It's just not available in your country. And when you join something like Surfshark, you're easily going to be able to spoof your location and be able to watch anything that you want to. And especially for you guys that aren't from the US and need to get a phone number here in the United States to confirm yourself in certain websites, you can easily use Surfshark VPN to create an account at any VoIP app and get yourself a free US phone number in less than 2 minutes. But don't tell anyone, because this is my little secret, okay? And the best part about this is that Surfshark VPN hooked us up with a sweet deal for the channel subs. If you use the link in the top of the description of this video, you're going to be able to get the first 3 months absolutely free for 0 cost. And if you decide to stay with Surfshark VPN after that period, you're still going to be in for a 83% discount on your membership. And on top of that, if you don't like it, they still have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Just the offers and websites that you're going to be able to use with this VPN are going to make you way more money than that. So go ahead, use the link in the top of the description and go sign up today. So if you want to make a video intro, all you have to do is either drop service it from Legit, which you can get for a measly $10, and you could easily sell it for $45. Remember those $10 animation videos? You can either get them from Legit for $10 and resell them in Fiverr for $40 or more. And now let's say that you don't want to drop servers. You want to create them yourself. Well, good news for you. I have 2 apps that can easily do this for you. So the first website is called Potune.com. And remember, all of the links that you need are going to be in a text file in the pinned comment and also in the description. So Potune.com allows you to create those animation videos from templates that they already have on their website for free. As you can see, you can get started for free today, and many of the big companies in the world use them, like Coca-Cola, Pfizer, eBay, Costco, Starbucks, Cisco. So there are many companies using it. All you have to do is click start now. They're going to ask you to sign up for an account. After you put your email in, a password, they're going to ask you to confirm your email. Just go into your email, click the link, and it's going to take you to this screen right here. Just click let's start. It's going to ask you what you need the website for. Just click personal needs and what are you creating for social media. Click next. Now, if they keep showing you some pop-ups, just click let's go and try to remove those from the screen, because it's going to show you how to use the website. Now all you have to do is look to your left-hand corner here where it says templates. Click on that. Now you want to select here where it says all looks, where my cursor is surrounding right now. Just click on that as well. And you want to choose cartoon, whiteboard, animation, anything that you're trying to create. Whatever the gig is that you listed, you're going to select that one. Select it. Now, oh, I choose the wrong one. Let's see, cartoon. Okay, so now you want to choose one of the templates that they offer you. And let's just say I wanted this one. All right, so they're going to show you how it works. If it suits you, just click edit in studio. Now they're going to show you another pop-up. All you have to do is click start creating to remove that. You want to fit these cartoons with whatever it is that you're trying to create. Okay, you can change the text, you can change the color. Meet our new employee. I'm just going to change this to hello awesome subscribers. Okay, just so you see how easy it is for you to make changes to this. You can change the background color, you can change this little guy here, the avatar. You can even remove everything that they have in here and make something completely new if you wanted to. Now this website is paid, but there's a way that you can get around it. It just takes a little bit of work. Okay, so that's what I'm going to show you how you can do right now. When you finish your cartoon, what you have to do is click export, and then what you want to choose here is either export it to YouTube or Vimeo. If you export it to YouTube, it's going to export it to your YouTube channel. After you've done that, you can just download the video from a YouTube channel and share it wherever you want. Okay, but if you try to do that, it's asking for my YouTube account, like you guys can see here. After I click next, put my YouTube account, it's going to upload it to my YouTube account. So I'm going to go back and show you what happens if I try to exactly export it from now. It's going to ask me to pay for a plan. I'm not going to do that, and you don't have to do that either. So all you have to do is click here, export, and upload it to YouTube. After it's uploaded to your channel, then you can easily download the video and share it with whoever you want to. If you don't know how to download a YouTube video, all you have to do is go to Google and type in YouTube video downloader, and you can use any YouTube video downloader you want. I usually use ssyoutube.com. When this website opens, all you have to do is copy the YouTube video link and paste it in here and click download, and it's going to be downloaded to your computer and you can use it freely. Okay, so that is one option. The second option that you can use is flixpress.com. What Flixpress will do for you is you can create those video intros that I showed you before that you can charge from $40 to $100 each. And this website offers free and paid plans. As you can see here on their timetable, they offer a free plan for $0 and you can storage 1 day, monthly minutes, 2 minutes. They have some resolutions that you can use. If you want to use more than that, you can just pay for their website. any plan that suits you. But for you to use this website, all you have to do is create an account, click on register on the top right corner. We're not going to be paying any websites here in this video. I will always show you guys how you can do a free option. Okay, so all you need to register to this website is a username, first name, last name, email address, password, and that is it. Agree to the terms and confirm that you're not a robot. After that, just click register and it's going to redirect you to the homepage of the website. After you register to the website, it's going to take you to this screen. Get 12 free templates for free. All you have to do is click get a free plan. Now it's going to take you to this page right here where you can choose a template to use for absolutely no money at all. So just choose whichever one you like, and all you have to do is click here on customize now on the right corner. Now you want to choose the color of your background. I'm going to choose red. Top line, as you can see, it's asking for a top line text and a bottom line text. As you can see, the top line text is this one, the bottom line text is this one. So I just chose red as a color. Top line, hello, awesome subs. Now I'm going to choose 1080p. If you want to add music, you can add an audio, and then you want to click create preview. It says you have an account balance of 2 minutes as a free account per month. If you want to have more than that, all you have to do is register a new account and get more 2 minutes. If you want to pay for the website, that's fine too. But as you can see here on Fiverr, an intro is not long at all. All right, you can have intro as short as 5 seconds, up to 5 seconds. This guy's charging 60 bucks. And if you want to have a 4K 15-second intro, people are charging 150 bucks. So the amount of money that you can make with only these 2 minutes is a lot. So what you want to do now is click create preview. Your order is on its way. They're going to send you an email when your order is done. And when they send you that email, all you have to do is download your video. Okay, so now that you know what to do, all you have to do is come back to Fiverr and Legit and click register and register for an account at each one of these two websites. Is pretty easy. This is what they ask: full name, email, username, password. And to confirm the password, they're going to ask you to confirm what you're going to be doing on a website: buying or selling. You're going to be selling and buying, so buying and selling. Click this last option right here. I'm not a robot, agree to the terms, and you're good to go with this one. Fiverr, same thing. Click join. They're going to ask you for your email, and then they're going to ask you for the same exact options. Okay, I'm going to leave links for these websites. All the websites, all the links and resources mentioned in this video are going to be in the text file in the pinned comment below and in the description. So I know this all can get a little bit confusing, so let's recapitulate what happened today in this video. First, you're going to use Legit and Fiverr to either drop service or sell your own created videos. If you choose to create the videos, you're going to use the two websites mentioned in the video, going to register for a free account, and going to generate your video from the templates. If you choose to drop service, all you have to do is create an account at Fiverr and Legit. Either way, you have to create an account. So just create the accounts, and then you're going to create a gig, add a picture to your gig, and price it higher than you're going to be paying for it. Then once someone places an order at your gig, what you have to do is go to the other gig, purchase it with the money that you already have from a customer, and when it's ready, you just deliver it to the customer that bought it from you. Now, if you haven't yet seen the video on how you can earn $12 per song that you listen to, click this thumbnail on the screen right here and you're going to be redirected to that video. I'll see you there. Work hard, play harder.